Hello, my name is Kevins, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create the reverse effect you just saw in the intro video. But before then, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified anytime we upload a new video. So now let's get started. Alright, after importing the video you wanna use, you add it to timeline, and after adding it you right click on the video you wanna add the effect on, and after right clicking you're gonna see speed and duration. You click that and then you just click the reverse speed. Good. So and when you click that and when you play this, you have your video reversed. So that's just it. So if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do not forget to click the subscribe button. And if you have anything you want us to teach you, you can just as well drop it down in the comment section below and we'll get it done for you. Peace out.